Hi, this is Tasha Milligan with Pathways to Peace Counseling, and I am continuing on a tutorial of how to use cognitive behavioral techniques with kids. In this one, I would like to focus on grounding techniques. So grounding techniques are things that you can do it really helps with panic attacks. If you are feeling out of control, and you can use it like with when you're really angry, panic attacks, different things that just make you feel totally out of control. It is paying attention to your senses to bring you down a notch or two. So grounding techniques are paying attention to the things that you can see, smell, taste, touch, and hear to calm you down. So it might be that you look around the room and name three things that you see. Like I see a white door, I see a silver lantern, I see a black doorknob. Those things will help calm you down because it's taking your mind off of the trigger and onto something that it has no emotional response to it. And you might say, I hear cars driving by, or I hear the air conditioner cycling on. And paying attention to those things that you can hear, it just focuses your mind off of the trigger and onto something that's very calming. And as you distract yourself from the trigger, it really helps you calm down. And grounding techniques are helpful because you can use them anywhere. It might be that you grab your chair or a desk and pay attention to the texture and the feeling, because it's this tactile thing. So you're not just using your mind to calm you down, but you're using your senses and the things that you can, your experiences to help calm you down. So these can be really helpful, especially for anxiety. These are really, really helpful to help calm kids down and adults. They're very helpful with adults too. But it's a skill that needs to be learned and practiced over and over and over in order for it to be effective. Because if kids aren't learning these coping skills and practicing them and talking through them whenever they're calm, then they're not even going to be on the radar whenever they feel out of control. So again, grounding techniques, it's what you see, what you can smell, what you can taste, what you can touch. Tasting and smelling are a little bit more difficult. So normally I would say three things that you can see, two things that you can hear, two things you can touch. But if they're able to focus on the other ones as well, it can just kind of add to it. So I hope this is helpful with your kiddos.